Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to show you how to do the coffee grinder and the helicopter. I'm going to start with the coffee grinder. Holy crap, I forgot. Yep, my intro. My intro. So anyway, this is the top. Anywhere.
Yeah. And it's nice because they're like really are like ideas. So like you know when you find out on the internet. Like I'm your mom. I'm your mom. Your mom. Yeah.
And I'm about to do some
So I
free
went to a baby
time.
shower for Annabelle, and it was a terrible, terrible day. It was
There's music on. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna do some free time.
Water and put flowers in, but it was so windy that they wouldn't even stay up on the table.
And I didn't use both of those moves. Oh wait, crap. I forgot to teach you how to do the helicopter. So you're going to walk in a circle. Complete circle. And once you get to this side, you go like that. You grab right here. Then you slide. This is how you do it in fast mode. Yeah. So, guide your mind. Watch this video a lot. How many minutes have we been running? Only 4 minutes. Wow. Yeah. So I do a little free time. This is my happy dance.
Who are you talking to, Ray? How many people are watching? Does it tell you?
I'm not on live.
Oh, you're not live? You want to make sure this one's right?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to start free time in 3, 2,
But hopefully slowly.
Well, it's a little bit higher than what we've done before, so it's gonna like, start there.
Yeah, because I don't like as far as how long like,
But this,
you know,
you do it on your
not
back.
like,
I messed up.
we were really
But
good.
you do it on your back.
Yeah, my town was just like that. It's just like, was that kind of town. Like a little tiny town in the middle of South Carolina with a lot of money. And, like, they, I mean, you're right, one of the businesses in the town is like, thank you so much. That's just how the world is. Like the pocket, and a lot of times it's a weird small town because there's nothing else to do, and people would travel in from the town, and so dance has only gotten bigger, so it's only gotten bigger. Like since I was there, it was kind of just what everybody did. Now it's like famous. Like people come and dance there. It's really cool. And they're great people. They were never, they still are, so it's like super nice. Yeah, good to see you.
Is there a song that's playing right that I can't hear? I'm like, I'm hearing this and you're like talking about. And I'm like, is there some kind of party? I'm sorry. Just seeing this, all of this happening.
That was 2 minutes of great dancing. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. This is your first time watching me. My name is Ray. Please like and subscribe. Means a lot to me. Like and subscribe. You will get notifications. Right. I will see you guys later.